Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And today's video I bring you some special video about Cardano. I'm going to do a price prediction of Cardano ADA. So if you are a Cardano holder, I expect that you see this video until the end because I am using actually on-chain data to do this video. It's not completely speculation. So I will share all my explanation on how I think this. Can we still do 100x on ADA and how much do you need to invest in order to achieve these goals? We are going to test a little bit about the prices and if my prediction is realistic in terms of the current price action on what we can expect on this bear market. So it's important that you see this video until the end and I will mention why it's important to see another videos that I did in order to understand my price prediction for Cardano. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, while Cardano still is in the rank position 8 in the top 10 at 51 cents, and in order to understand my price prediction on this video, I recommend you to check two videos that I did. One is this, how to be rich buying now in the next bull run and the crypto best buy strategy. In this video, I explain exactly how do you need to do to find the better altcoins to buy in this bear market that will bring you the most utility on the bull market. Doesn't make any sense that you pursue price prediction for 2022 or a price prediction for 2023. It's not like it works. It's better for you pursue a price prediction for next bull run. So you buy low in a bear market like we are right now and you sell on the bull run. So for you it doesn't make any sense to know if Cardano will be at $1 this year or at 90 cents at the end of this year. You need to think in cycles and I will explain that in this video also. But in order to understand it, again, you need to see this video, how be rich buying now in next bull run. And also I recommend you to check this video, crypto best buy strategy, so you will know exactly how to buy the altcoins that you will select after seeing this video. So with these two videos, you are already set and prepared for this bear market and make your best strategy. This actually is the strategy that I am using right now. And in this video, I am going to apply it to Cardano and what is a price prediction, a realistic price prediction for ADA, based on the chart and based on some historical data that nobody has been talking about on ADA right now. So let's start directly to that. This video is based on my theory of best percentage earnings explained on my video, how to be rich in the next bull run buying now. This is based on the relationship of the price of a bear market with the last all-time high. You are going to understand it exactly seeing this video. But with this theory, you will understand that, for example, in a bear market, you will be making more money if you buy, for example, ADA than if you buy Bitcoin. And that is simply because it's more easy for ADA to recover some percentage on the coin market, on the market cap, than for Bitcoin rise the same percentage of the market cap. So it's not any science, it's a simple math. And even if the Bitcoin is the king right now, you can see in the history that even Bitcoin went to $70,000. You have more opportunities to make more percentage of earnings buying different altcoins. So right now, the current price of ADA is 51 cents. The all-time high was $3.09. So buying ADA at 30 cents, it will put us a 10x from the last all-time high. And why is this important? This is also in my video, how to be rich in buying this bear market to the next bull run, because in this bear market I will not buy any coin that is not at least 10x down from the all-time high, and that is important and is explained in the other video. So according to my theory, I will be buying altcoins at least 10x down from the all-time high. So the question that you need to answer is, can we still do 100x on ADA? Why 100x? Because it's the most reasonable amount of exits that you need to get a $1 million. Of course, you cannot invest $1 and expect to get 100 exits. So you cannot expect to invest $1 and get $1 million. That only happens by chance or if you bought Shiba Inu in 2020. But if not, this is a realistic video based on some real data and a lot of speculation, of course. But the good question is, can this coin make 100x? Because that will give you a parameter of how much money you need to invest. So a conservative price for ADA on the next bull run, it will be $9.27. And this part is important on the video. Please pay attention. The last one was $3.09. This was in 2021. So at the peak of the bull run for ADA, we reached $3.09. This was in 2021. And the previous bull run, which was 2017, 2018, the top of ADA was $1.03. So this is exactly 3 times more than it was before. So in the first bull run that Cardano ever experienced, ADA reached $1.03. Last time we reached $3.09 now, and it's exactly 3 times the previous all-time high. So I am comparing all-time highs in the bull run right now. This is on-chain data. This is not something that I made up. This is not speculation. This is what happened. So it's for me legitimate to say that in the next bull run we are going to do 3x for last peak of the bull run. Yes, it is. We don't have a ton of data. We only have 2 data points, but it's legitimate. So it's not exactly $10, but the mathematical equation on this, it will tell us that in the next bull run, that we don't know when it's going to be, could be 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, but your price prediction never should be based on this particular year or a particular year. You need to think in cycles. So what is important for you is buying now cheap for the peak of the next cycle when you are going to sell. So according to this, and based on 2 points of historical data, the next bull run, at least we are going to make $9.27. So we can round this to a specific $10 area. This doesn't mean that we are going to stay a lot of time in that price. That means that at least the peak on the next bull run, it will be $9.27. So this is data for 88 only. What happened with another major altcoins? Well, in fact, Bitcoin hit 19K on 2017, 2018, a little more than 19K. And the peak last time was 69K, which is a little more than 3x, but also similar to the exactly 3x of ADA. And what happened with Ethereum? Ethereum in 2018 hit $1,450 in the peak of the bull run. And in the last one, in 2021, reached 4,800. Which is also a little more than 3x for Ethereum. So can we say that each coin will be making 3x's from the last all-time high? No, we cannot ensure that. But historical data show us that that has been happening. So can we say that in the future that will happen? Well, we have a certain percentage of probabilities that happen. And that is what I am basing right now. We only have 2 data points for Ethereum and ADA. We have more data points, 4 data points for Bitcoin because it has been longer. But put your comments below here. Do you think that I am using data that is not really strong to take consideration of this? Because I really think that is the best that we can get here in historical data, not emotion, not speculation, to base the next conservative price prediction for ADA. And also, we hit $3 here and we just been having smart contracts. Cardano really didn't have too much at that point after the Alonso launch. So I am expecting in 1, 2, 3 years or whatever the next bull run is, that Cardano ecosystem will have a TVL of billions of dollars. Right now we are in just a couple of millions. We are going to have a lot of DApps. We have already NFTs and we'll have more on that. We have Metaverse, but we are going to have more of that. So in the next bull run, $9.27 is conservative. It's just based on the math. It's not based on fundamentals. So we are going to use this $10 reach. If we are agree with that, then 88 at $9.27 needs a market cap approximately of $350 billion. $350 billion is not too much, guys. I mean, it's a lot, but it's not a crazy amount. Right now we are in a 400 million. For example, the market cap of Ethereum at below the $2,000 is 237, and we are talking about 350. Ethereum already had that market cap actually in a better position. Even in the peak of the bull run, Ethereum had more than that. So if this previous bull run we hit 2 trillions, I am expecting a 10 trillion, the gold market cap for the next bull run, which could be 1, 2, 3 years. We don't know that. So yeah, this amount of market cap for Cardano, it continue being on the top 10 or near that, is not crazy at all, guys. So of course you need to see if the market cap is that you are speculating is a crazy amount or not. Actually, in percentage how the crypto market is right now, it will be putting Cardano also in the top 10 like it's right now. So it's not crazy at all. So in order to do 100x, we need to buy ADA that is 10 cents. And that is basically math in this bear market. Current price is 0.51. So in order to get that amount of ADA for $10 position that we are saying that it could be the next peak of the bull run. And 10 cents right now, guys, is here and 80% down from the current price. So we still need to go an 80% down in order that you can buy Cardano ADA at 10 cents and you make $1 million 100x on the next bull run. If that's going to happen, we don't know that. We are only making a price prediction, but we don't know the bottom of ADA and we cannot know that. So we are going to move into the next part of this price prediction. So it means that ADA needs to fall 5x from current price. And it's not crazy stuff if you think that Bitcoin can go below 20k. Many predictions are that Bitcoin are going to 14k, 19k. 19k, 20k is not out of the question because it will be the last top of the bull run for Bitcoin. So it will be retesting that. But if Bitcoin goes to 20k, I don't see why not ADA can go to 10 cents. I really don't think that is mega crazy. I will be surprised if that happens. But it's not out of the question. But it needs to go an 80% down from where we are right now. So let's say that ADA doesn't go to 10 cents, but you buy on this bear market at 20 cents. So let's say that we don't hit that mark, but we go to 20 cents. 20 cents is at this position. And actually it started to look a little more realistic if we go down in Bitcoin price. Because at the 20 cents, we have this support area, was resistance here. We never tested a support, but we need to lose first this rectangular support, which is between 40 and 30 cents. If we lose that, I think we can go here and test the 18 cents, 20 cents. So if we have the opportunity on this bear market to buy at 20 cents your ADA, then when Bitcoin hits the $10 market price prediction that we have, you are going to be making 50x, and that will put us in $500,000 on profit if you invest to have 1 million tokens. So if you invest 10k now, you will get $500,000 in the next bull run. According to this theory that we are going to hit $10 in the next bull run, and according that you buy ADA at 20 cents. That is the best situation and more realistic situation that I see right now. We may not hit 20 cents for many time. Maybe this is just a flash crash. But of course this is if Bitcoin goes to 20k. I am not saying that this is going to happen. Actually, this is more difficult to predict right now, because always will be depend of what Bitcoin does in this bear market. So how much do you need to invest in order to be millionaire with ADA on the next bull run? And please, if you are liking this video so far, put your comments below. What do you think about all my explanation on this price prediction? And please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. It helps me a lot to grow this community. And you will see on my other videos that I always 100% honest and transparent. Actually, I am doing this video because ADA is one of my favorite coin and I have some emotional attachment for them because I did millions with ADA buying in the last bear market and selling at $2. So I really wanted to bring this real price prediction for you guys. So how much do you need to invest? Well, this is realistic and you may think that this money is out of your reach, and that is a possibility. For some people $10,000 is nothing, but for other people $10,000 could be the savings of a lifetime. But I'm trying to be honest. I'm trying to say that you are not going to have $1 million investing $1 in ADA. not even $1,000 on ADA. So if you are not able to put this amount of money on ADA, then you can reduce your milestone. Instead of 1 million, you can put it in $100,000, which also may be life-changing for you. Could be able to help you to pay your mortgage and be your owner of your own house. That is a very great goal. So you can reduce the milestone of the $1 million, and of course you will need to invest a lot less than this. But for the purpose of the video, we are taking the famous $1 million to be rich. So if you buy at 30 cents, which actually could be more realistic right now, 30 cents from where we are right now is here, actually inside this rectangle that I put there for support. It's a 40% down from the current price. If Bitcoin goes to $25, I think this could be super realistic. So in order to earn $1 million with a $10 price target, you need $30,000, which is a lot for many people, again, and is not much to other people. If you get the target of 20 cents, then you will need $20,000 to get $1 million at a price of target of 10. And of course, if for some reason ADA goes to 10 cents, you will need 10K. And if it goes to 5 cents, which is super unrealistic from my perspective, you only will need 5K. I just need to tell you that this is what happened to me. I bought ADA at 2 cents in 2020 on the Corona dump, and I bought 1 million tokens at that moment. I put around 20K, if I remember correctly, but I explained all my experience and what I did here in this video, so I recommend you to check it. ADA made me millionaire, so that is why I am trying to show you how you can be millionaire with ADA on the next Bullrun, which is the strategy that I also did. And if for some reason we don't get that target, and the very conservative target is $5, which is less than 2x from last all-time high, I really don't think that will be a target. Then you need to double all the prices here. If you bought at 30 cents, you need 60,000K, which is a lot to put only in one coin. I will not recommend to do that, but you need to increase the double of your targets. This is the thing that I think we have most opportunity to do right now. A 20 cent target. I am not saying that we are going to reach it, maybe it never happen, but it will depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes to $20,000, I think we can see these 20 cents. That will put us here, like I said before, 64% down, held in some support on previous resistance. So makes sense that if we lose the 30 cents, we go to 20. Well guys, that is all for this video, this price prediction for Cardano ADA. What do you think about that? And please check my other 2 videos that you need to see in order to be prepared on this bear market. And that will be all. I will see you tomorrow with a new video, and please, before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Even if you don't want to see me again, just click the subscribe button so you can help me, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.